Welcome back to Build Sales Funnel. Today I'll show you how to set up an order bump and upsell in ClickFunnels, two powerful features that can help you boost your sales and increase your average order value. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your funnel. Start by logging into your ClickFunnels account and opening the funnel where you want to add your order bump and upsell. Step 2. Add an order bump inside your funnel steps. Click on your order form page. Click Edit Page to enter the page editor. Scroll down to the order form section and look for the order bump option. Enable it, and you'll see a new section where you can customize your bump offer. Here, add a catchy headline, a short description of the offer, and adjust the price of your bump. Make sure it's a low-cost add-on that complements your main offer. It should be a no-brainer for your customers to grab. Step 3. Save your changes. Once your order bump is customized, click Save in the top right corner. Step 4. Add an upsell page. Go back to your funnel overview. Click Add New Step and choose One-Click Upsell. Name your upsell page and click Create Funnel Step. Step 5. Select an upsell template. ClickFunnels has several upsell templates. Choose one that fits your style and click Edit Page. Customize your upsell offer. Add a compelling headline. Include product images and descriptions. Use urgency or scarcity to increase conversions. Step 6. Set up the upsell product. Click on the product settings to link your upsell product. Make sure you've added the product in your funnel's Products tab so it can be selected here. Step 7. Test everything. Finally, test your funnel to make sure your order bump and upsell flow smoothly. Place a test order to confirm that both are working correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully set up an order bump and upsell in ClickFunnels, two simple tweaks that can dramatically increase your revenue. Check the video description below for my step-by-step guide and bonus tips to make your offers even more irresistible. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Build Sales Funnel for more tutorials, reviews, and funnel building strategies to grow your online business. Thanks for watching. Now go add those order bumps and upsells to boost your funnel's performance.